Subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. Watermelon benefits for men and women. Improve your health naturally. Watermelon is an excellent source of potassium, vitamins C and A, and contains a high concentration of beta-carotene. Red watermelon rind also contains the phytonutrient citrulline, which has health benefits such as increased blood flow throughout the body. The inside of a watermelon is about 92% water. The remaining 8% has the highest concentration of lycopene found in any fresh fruit or vegetable. Prostate health. Researchers once believed that lycopene was only in tomatoes, but the watermelon holds the highest concentration of lycopene in any fresh fruit or vegetable. Lycopene has known antioxidant qualities to keep the skin, heart, and prostate healthy. Prostate health. Researchers once believed that lycopene was only in tomatoes, but the watermelon holds the highest concentration of lycopene in any fresh fruit or vegetable. Lycopene has known antioxidant qualities to keep the skin, heart, and prostate healthy. Thanks for watching.